Hi there. If you need to replace your toilet flapper but don't know what size it is, this video is for you. A simple way to determine the size is to measure the outside diameter of the old flapper. If the outside diameter is about 3 inches, it is a 2-inch flapper. And if the outside diameter is about 4 inches, it is a 3-inch flapper. But that's not all. Look for the same manufacturer and model for best fit. If you're still unsure, shut off the water supply valve, flush the tank, remove the flapper, and take it to your nearest home improvement center or plumbing supply store. Match it up yourself or ask a sales associate for help. If this video was helpful, please click the like button and drop me a comment. Here's another video that might interest you.